Hello everybody, this is Casey. So welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to do two videos because I just got back from Go Wild and I have a ton of swag, but I want to go through Happy Planner stuff first. Y'all please excuse my arms. I have like these weird bruise looking things from actually loading all my bags and stuff into the car, and then this is from my dog with his claw like greeting me because I've been gone for a week. So I was going to try to cover this up and I was like, no, you know what, like my whole thing now is about being authentic, so this is my authentic real arm here for you. Okay, so anyways, I actually chose on Friday, of course y'all probably knew this, but I chose to sit at a Happy Planner sponsored table during the first round of sessions at Go Wild on Friday. So let's go ahead and see what I got at the Go Wild Happy Planner table. If you'll notice, I do still have on my Go Wild watch with my Go Wild, what is that called? Watch face. So yeah, so let's see. And I think some of the stuff is new. And will be released with the spring release. So let me go ahead and just get it all out of my bag. I'm actually like trying to hurry up and get these videos filmed so that I can go ahead and organize all of my stash and put it away, because right now it's still all in boxes. Not boxes, it's in my bags. So hang on, I think there's one more thing. All right, we're gonna start with, I hope this is all, my absolute favorite thing. Okay, so you know that the Happy Planner has the deluxe snap-in covers now, right? This is for the mini, and check this out. This is like the Go Wild purple. I cannot wait to do a mini setup for you guys with this cover. I love these deluxe covers because they have the pockets in them, and so if you followed me for long, like I've always struggled with using covers kind of like this or covers with the snap. I think in my ADHD brain, like if I have to unsnap it and open it up, it's almost like too much work, so I don't use my planners when they're in covers like that. So these snap-in covers are ideal for me. It just makes my planners like super cute and easily accessible. So yeah, this is the first thing and my absolute favorite thing, and I do believe these are going to be probably released with the spring release for 2023, so stay tuned for that. Happy Planner did not tell us, that's just my guess. Also, I got two new planners that are, this is an 18-month planner, so I'm pretty sure, same with this is a July planner, so I'm pretty sure these two are going to be released with the spring release. So let me go ahead and move this out of the way. So this is a horizontal skinny classic. I love this color, this cover, but let me show you what I love the best about this cover. Look at the inside. Look at the black and white discs. Like, we could literally turn these discs or turn these covers around and put any color disc we wanted to on this, and this will be the cutest, absolute cutest skinny classic planner ever. So I mean, I do like the, you know, of course the colorful black cover on the front, but those black and white discs like really said everything to me. And if you'll notice, I think Happy Planner I'm sorry, Happy Planner has rebranded, so they have like all new logos and everything for their products. Actually, let me try to, I'm going to shake the camera a little bit, so let me just try to zoom in just a tad so that we can get a full look at this. Okay, so like I said, this is a skinny classic. I'm going to wait till that stops shaking, if it ever stops shaking. So you have like your name page here, your hello, this Happy Planner belongs to. You have 2023 and 2024, you're at a glance, jot it down, and then you go straight into July. So this one says, look on the bright side. And then I love what they did here to the actual tab. They put like a whole month at a glance, your priorities, and then important here. And then you still have like your month at a glance with all of your dates of the month, so you can kind of pre-plan in there. And then this is just a horizontal layout. The days are blank. So I was thinking that I could probably use this for maybe even like gratitude planning or not planning, like daily gratitude. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely want to use it because this is super cute. So just, you know, weekly horizontals here. And then this is just like your, what we would call currently page. It just says jot it down with some graph paper. And so then we have August, September, October, you are capable of amazing things. November, plan your dreams. I love this cover. December, hooray for weekends. January, show your magic to the world. February, stay true to you. March, vibing and thriving. April, you can do it. I love this cover. I love these discs with anything black and white. I don't know. This is May, and then this is June. Focus on the good, and the good gets better. And then the last page in the planner is just the graph page, jot it down. So like I said, that is your horizontal 12 months starting in July skinny classic. Definitely going to try to figure out a way to use that and incorporate that into my lineup. So this is, I'm sure, just one of many 18-month planners that are going to be released this spring. This one starts in July. It is the vertical layout, of course, classic size. This is by, I hope I'm saying this right, Tanya Garcia, or maybe Tanya Garcia. And like I said, here's your whole rebrand with your black label. You get 3 different tabs here. This tells about the artist. This tells about the vertical layout. So this cover says, let's go somewhere. And then we have your, of course, your name page here. Your years at a glance for 23 and 24. And then we go into our, like, just pre-planning or whatever you would use these pages for. This is our July tab, Vacation Vibes. And this is very, I don't even want to say neutral anymore. I want to say, like, this is just plain black and white, easy to decorate, monthly layout or monthly pages. And then so are your vertical pages. So you just have like your plain graph sidebar with your notes here. And then the only decor on the page is like these polka dots down the side. So I am definitely going to use this planner for some Patreon spreads. This is your currently page. I love this. So you have August, 3 priorities for the month, your important, and then your notes for the month. So your August tab, September tab, travel the world. This is more of a travel themed planner. Give me good company and the open road for October. November, December has lots of stamps from different countries. January, take me away. February, take time to enjoy the simple things in life. March, set out for new adventure. April, be kind. May, it's your journey and your heart knows the way. June, the good life. July, pack your bags. August, that's really cute. It kind of matches the front of the planner, minus the foiling. October, the world is too big to stay in one place. Amen. Look at these. These are adorable for November. I don't know. I was going to say leopards, cheetahs. I don't know what those are, but they're adorable. Work harder, play harder for December. If I ever tried to roller skate, I would bust my head. So that's not something that I do. I'm not coordinated enough. And then your last page says notes and plans with just that really pretty leafy design. This is your inside back cover, your inside front cover. So very, very cute. I'm excited to see what else is available in the spring release. I'll go ahead and show you this cover. So I actually use this cover for my actual conference planner. So I don't know if you've seen my setup, but this was my Go Wild planner, and so I just stuck my planner in here. But this is super cute. I love discs. Like I said, I don't usually use these covers because I find it that I just don't use my planner if it takes too much work to get inside of it. I don't know if that makes sense to many people, but it makes sense in my head. I need to be able to easily flip it open, and to have to unzip it, that's too much work for me. But I think this is adorable. So I've just got some things stuck in here. You have a zipper pocket, a pin loop, some card pockets here. Then you have another pocket in the back, which has like netting. And then this will be a place where you slide your planner inside of the cover. So that's the cover. Oh. And like I said, I'm pretty sure that these new things are coming with the spring release. Now, there is one, let's see, this one, I think. So I'm not going to flip through this because this is an older mega sticker book that I already have in my collection, okay? I'm just going to show you a really quick flip through. This has just been rebranded with their new cover, but it is the same one that has already been released. If you'll remember, it has these really pretty florals in here. So yeah, I already have this in my collection. And then we have this side. Like I said, already released. It does have these really pretty colorful dates in here. It's just rebranded in a different cover. So there is the new cover, the new way that they are branding everything. Okay, so now these two sticker books I think are going to be brand new. I have not seen them, and I was also talking to Mary Ellen, Planning with Bumble, and I think I'm actually going to send this one to her. We both kind of agree that this is probably a sneak peek into the spring release. Now, I think that this 100-sheet mega sticker book is formatted for a big size happy planner. It's going to take me a little while to get used to all the new like rebranding, because I don't see where it's actually sized for a particular planner, but you'll see once we get in here that these stickers look like they're pretty much sized for a big happy planner, because look how big these vertical boxes are. So and the reason that I told Mary Ellen that I would send this to her is because these aren't really stickers that I can see myself using. I mean, like, yeah, the florals, I would use those, but I have plenty of florals. So I'm just going to kind of quickly flip through this to kind of give you guys an idea of what is in this book. But yeah, I don't foresee myself using these stickers in any of my planners. So I'm actually going to send Mary Ellen some stickers from my shop. And so with that package that I sent her, I'm going to send her these. But you can see how big this like double vertical box is. I think this is really made or formatted for a big happy planner, which is something that I haven't seen yet. So of course, you know, you can use big stickers in mini planners, mini stickers in big planners. It doesn't matter. And that's why my stickers are not formatted to fit any specific size, because I really enjoy being able to have a ton of options in sticker sizes as far as like layering and kind of offsetting and stacking stickers. But yeah, so these are like super cute. Just the colors just aren't really me. So I'm going to gladly pass this along to Mary Ellen. And if I hadn't have left Go Wild early, I actually talked to her. I messaged her Friday night. Yes, we were in the same hotel, and I could have went and found her, but I was kind of like chilling in my room Friday night. And so I messaged her and told her, you know, that I wanted to send this to her, and she said she'd like to have it. So definitely going to do that. I was trying to see, are these the same? I swear I've already seen these. I don't know. Maybe it's because of this. So yeah, let's just flip through this. But yeah, like I said, the colors and I don't know, just this stuff is just not me. It's not my style. It's not my vibe. So there's no sense in me keeping it so that it collects dust. I'd rather give it to someone who could definitely use it. I honestly think these are a whole repeat of stickers that are over here. Maybe they're just in different colors. I don't know. But I feel like I've seen these on this side. So I'll let you guys judge that, because my brain, I think, is full of cold right now. So I'm not thinking very clearly. Just trying to get through this video to show you guys what I got at the Happy Planner table. All right, so that is the mega sticker book that I believe is formatted for the Big Happy Planner. So then we have a new Happy Brights sticker book. Y'all tell me. I think this is new, or it's new to me anyway. I will be keeping this one because these are super cute stickers. You know, again, not something that I would actually use like in every spread, but definitely these colors are more my vibe, especially with the black and like the rainbow colors. I love this. So, and if you'll look, the font is kind of like staggered. It's just kind of cute the way they did this. These are silver foil on clear. Then we have some different boxes and colors and headers here. Some really cute disc washi. I love the discs, like I said before. More discs. More discs. Just really like this. Y'all let me know in the comments if this is a new sticker book or if I just happen to miss it. But I really think these stickers are so cute. These colors are so me. And these quotes, I love these quotes. So yeah, this one is definitely going in my stash. Alright, so that is the Happy Brights. And then two more things that came on the, and I hope these are the only two things, to be honest with y'all. I've got so much stuff that it's hard for me to keep it all together. But this is a big block pad. Okay, it's punched and formatted in size for the big Happy Planner, and this is just one of those nice block pads that you could lay on the side of your desk and just jot notes, which is exactly what I do. You could even pre-plan your day, pre-plan your month, pre-plan your week, and then just stick this right into your planner somewhere wherever you'll notice it. So I love these block pads. These are like some of the most useful things that Happy Planners come out with that I really enjoy. All right, and then the last thing is, y'all look how cute these are. These are metal discs, and of course they're Go Wild color inspired. But they're almost like a matte lavender. I don't know. They're just so pretty. So these have inspired me to design a new spring cover to sell in my shop that will match these. So that's something that I will be trying to get at this week, is designing, because this lavender is like speaking spring to me. So I definitely want to use these on my classic planner, which is my catch-all. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous discs from the Happy Planner. So, I really hope that's everything. I'm looking again just to be sure. But I hope that's everything that I received at the Happy Planner table. Because like I said, when I packed up, I kind of just threw everything together. So anyways, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that if you did not get to attend Go Wild this year, that maybe you'll be able to attend next year. So be on the lookout for some plan with me's and some setup videos using some of my new goodies from that table. And I'm also going to have another video showing all the other swag that I got while I was at Go Wild. So that's it for this one. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.